from 8th class.
Myself Dijani Pradhan of 8th class.
If our freedom fighters returned to India today, in 1947, our freedom fighters dreamed a free nation. They sacrificed their youth, comfort and their feelings and their lives. But what if for one extraordinary day, they could return to India in 2026? What would they see? What would make them proud and what would make them worry? And most importantly, what would they ask us?
Yes, this can be presented as a clearly Independence Day stage presentation in which famous freedom fighters return to India. Present today. Look around and express their feelings, including Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh, Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai Sarojini and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Let's welcome them with big round of applause.
Called as Mahatma Gandhi. I believe that truth and non-violence were more stronger than any weapon. During our freedom struggle, millions of Indians united without fear and proved that courage and determination could defeat any opposition. During our freedom struggle, but today, I look at India, I feel proud. I see a strong determination and clean city and respected around the world. But my dear children, freedom is meaningful when it is accommodated by honesty, discipline, compassion, cleanliness. Respect every region, every language, every fellow citizen. But remember, the future of India not
On my body for our motherland. I didn't sacrifice my life so that Indian would live freely. I dream not of India where every citizen live with dignity, equality, self-respect. Today I can see our young Indians achieving great success in science, sports, technology. My dear friends, the greatest tribute you can pay for the nation is to become a responsible citizens of India. Jai Hind.
My name is Jawaharlal Nehru. Children are the future of India. I dreamed of a modern India built on science, education, innovation and peace. Today, I proudly witness of India's achievements in space mission, agriculture, healthcare, technology, digital learning and infrastructure. My dear children, continue to dream big, read books, ask questions, think scientifically, love your country, protect its environment. The India of tomorrow depends on the dreams you pursue today. Jai Hind.
I'm Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi. I'm Rani Lakshmibai. When the British tried to take over my kingdom, I chose courage over fear. Today I proudly see Indian women serving as soldiers, scientists, police officers, judges, doctors, athletes and leaders. Women are reaching great heights in every field. To every daughter of India, I say, believe yourself. Education is your greatest weapon and courage is your greatest strength. To every son of India, I say, respect every woman and support equality. Our nation becomes stronger when its daughters rise up with confidence. Jai Hind. The Nightingale of India. I inspired people through my poetry and speeches and encouraged women to participate in the freedom movement. Today, I rejoice to see girls studying, leading institutions, working together and representing India globally and contributing to every profession. But remember, true freedom also means freedom from ignorance, hatred, discrimination and injustice. Speak kindly, think positively and work together for a peaceful society. Unity in diversity is India's greatest strength. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all. I am Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. The Constitution of India is one of our nation's greatest achievements. It ensures that justice, liberty, equality and fraternity for every citizen. But every citizen must know that rights come with responsibilities. Respect the Constitution, respect everyone, respect education and reject discrimination from every form. A strong India is built when every citizen treats others with dignity and every citizen receives quality education. Educate, empower and organize. Jai Hind.
We gave you freedom through sacrifice.
Help women to educate.
Protect it through responsibility.
Respect every woman and save future. Keep India united, keep India clean.
Respect the constitution.
Help poor.
Serve the nation with pride.
The future of the India is in your hands.
Let us
all proudly say Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Bharat Mata ki
Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai.